2.
Oh. Dang, that shot is broken, bro. The shot is broken. Hi. It's over. Love, brother. What's your name? Jude. Jude? Good to meet you. Stay with us.
Have you here, man? Of course.
Stay with us.
Need try.
We're about to walk to the next stadium.
Okay. I got my blood flowing.
In the Timbs, though?
In the Timbs.
Say hi.
What's up?
Hi.
What's up?
Ashton, I am content creator in Rwanda. Can you tell my people to your people?
Say your people what?
How many likes I have to get on this video, Ashton Paul?
How many followers do you have?
Yes, likes, views, likes on this video. How many likes?
150,000.
50,000.
150,000.
We love you in Rwanda, bro.
Thank you, my brother. Love. Yeah, I know you, my bro.
Me too. Can you please tell my people to love?
Hey.
Picture for you.
Love.
Keep walking. Hey, security, don't let nobody grab them. Don't let nobody grab them. Yeah.
Brothers from another mother. My guys. What's up? Ashton Hall, Gambia. Guys, today's gonna be a quick 2-hour stream. About 2 hours and 30 minutes. But today will be a live day. It will be live, it will be hype. Why you came at night? I'm already in bed. Brother, you gotta wake up. We got parties going on and everything. You don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss it. Is this where the challenge is? Challenge. Alright, we're gonna start off with the real challenge, chat. Because y'all know I don't hoop. Next time stream also by YouTube. They want me to go dual. Might need to start going dual. Oh, this guy. This guy, what's up? Everything good? I saw your video the other day, bro.
He's known as a strong man in Rwanda.
Really?
I'm the most powerful in Rwanda.
You're the strongest person in
Yeah,
Rwanda?
I am the most powerful in Rwanda. 2 bikers.
You're the strongest person in Rwanda?
Yeah.
Okay.
Listen. Zile, mwejezana. Ngejera inyuma. Fungura. Fungura webye ariko. Merizana. Kakaboro kari he. Kari he. Kakaboro
Y'all want me to stream on every platform? Site Brillion, thanks for the follow. Big love. Big love. What is this that you're doing, brother?
We're off.
Hey, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Back up, back up. What is he drinking? Is that gas? Is that gas? I need to be on that side, though. We need to be on that side. Tell him to hold on. What is it? Stay over there. Thank you. Thank you. Chad, did he just drink gas? Yeah, man! Let's go! That's not gas, though. That's not gas. That's not gas. Somebody else go. Have one more person go. You go. Your turn. You. Too easy. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't like the way that looks. I'm gonna keep it real. I don't like the way that looks. The tire's off the ground. The tire's off the ground.
Ashton! We challenge you!
I challenge you guys. I challenge you guys. You're the strongest man in Rwanda. Strongest man.
Stronger.
And you're the second strongest man in Rwanda.
I am. I'm one of God.
Okay, wait. Back up. Listen. You're the strongest man in Rwanda. You're number 2?
Oh, yeah, of course.
I think he's the strongest man in Rwanda.
My master
I think he's the strongest. Push-up competition. If you beat him in a push-up competition, then I will try the challenge. Yes. If you beat him, then I will try the challenge. Okay. If you beat him in a push-up, then I go. You're the strongest.
This is my brother.
Brother, if you lied to me, I'm not going.
Yes.
If you're the strongest,
Okay. If you want to compete with Ashton, I must be first.
you have to beat him. If you're gonna compete with me, you gotta go through my brother first.
Yes. Okay.
You just told me you were the strongest.
Next to you. Okay. If you win me, you're allowed to compete with Ashton.
On the ground, let's get it. Come on. Right here.
Push up.
Right here. Yeah. Right here. Hold on.
Are you ready?
Let's do it. Wait. These are the rules. Hold on. stay still. Get down, get down.
Please, first
These
you
are
have
the rules. These are the rules. Get down, get down, get down, get down.
First you have
This
instruction.
No, this is the rule.
If you want me, just you have to compete with Ashton.
Follow
If you don't want me,
follow instruction. This is what we're gonna do. He's gonna do one.
my brother.
Wait, listen. Dang. Listen. He's gonna do one. You're gonna do one.
Yeah.
He's gonna do two. You're gonna do two. 3, 4, 5, 6. But you're gonna hold in the air while he's doing his 4. You're gonna hold in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're gonna do your 4. 1, 2, 3. He's gonna be holding in the air. We're gonna see how high we can get. Let's get it. We're gonna start with 1. Go off my count. 3. Oh! You go first. 1. No, pay attention, brother. Hold on, come back up. Hold on, do you get what's going on? He's gonna do 1? No. He's doing 1. Once I say go, you're gonna do 1.
Okay.
Then I say go, he's gonna do 2. Let's get it. He's still gonna get it wrong, chat.
Start.
Let's get it. 3, 2.
Ashton, small.
Go. Go. 2. 2. 3. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's 4. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Easy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9.
Let's go 9.
Lift off the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Full. 6, 8, 9. Come on. Let's get it. Up to 10. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Full push-ups, brother. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, 3 more. 1, 2, that's too easy. 1 more. 8, 14, 14, 14. Come on, 14. Let's go. Too easy. Let's go. Too easy. Too easy. Go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Give me 20. 10, 11. Yeah, 12. 12. Come on. 14, 15, 16. Give me 30. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Keep going. Don't stop. Let's see who stops first. Keep going. Let's see who stops first. Hey, that's respect, though. That's respect. That's respect. Hey, you lasted way longer than I expected.
Yeah.
But listen, you're not the strongest in Rwanda.
Yeah.
He's the strongest.
He's my brother.
You're second.
Yeah.
It's cool. It's cool. Okay. He's first. Always remember, you tell the world. He's first. You're second. And all of y'all stronger than me. Y'all can have it, because I ain't doing that. Hey, look, I ain't doing that with the guard. No, I ain't doing that. Push up. Push up.
Is it my breakfast on the morning?
Easy.
Just drink water. Too easy. It's number 1.
You know how easy it is to eat bacon in the morning? Come on, brother.
This is my breakfast.
Hey, respect to you guys, though. I seen the video, the clip the other day. It
This is
went
my
viral.
breakfast, bro.
Next challenge.
It's love.
Ashton, hi. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want another challenge? Wait, never know the moto. No, wait, never know the moto. Speak in English, bro.
Huh?
You have to speak.
You're gonna try? You wanna try? Oh, Indian Ash wants to go. Go. Let's get it. Bring the bikes back. Yeah, Indian Ash wants to go. He's gonna go. I feel like they should try. You're gonna try when he goes.
Let's try.
Easy. Are you gonna try? Right here. Hold like this. Hold like this. Not like this. Like this. You got it.
Let's get it. Okay, let's keep moving.
Huh? Indian Ash about to do it.
Indian Ash, let's go.
All right.
You see that?
Look out there trying to get some dirt.
Brother,
Yeah.
You got this. You got this.
let's do it, man.
Respect to you, bro. Respect. Respect, bro. Respect. I love what you guys do. Indian Ash gets out, go. One more. Oh, they went too fast.
One more.
Yeah. Hold on, wait.
Don't be hitting that full throttle.
Hey, y'all wait till he's ready. I might throw the bikes into each other, I ain't gonna lie. I might bring them. You know what I'm saying? They make me want to go now.
Move away.
Go. See, hold on. They lifted the tires for them.
Yeah, you gotta pick it up.
No, them boys lifted the tires. You go again. Go again one more time. Go again. And keep that back tire on the ground.
Yes.
Keep the back tire on the ground. Now watch out. 3, 2, 1. I'll go. Hey, look, I'll go. If my security guard gets it, I'm gonna go. Back up.
Okay. I'll wait till the time.
1, 2, 3, go! Come here, boy!
That's all I needed to see. Love. Let me go.
Yeah.
Hold on, even up.
Back up. Okay. Security. Back him up. Back him up.
Okay, you can do it with us.
Let's do it. 1.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go!
Respect. Let's do it.
Okay.
Let's go.
The stadium.
Yes, crossing a stadium at Zaria Company.
Sorry, how many people ain't over there?
Okay, bet. Oh, man, he almost took my arm off.
We're walking one more time and then we're leaving.
Oh. Chat.
They tried it. They tried it.
Ooh.
Oya.
He almost got away, had to jack him back in there. You seen that, chat? Too easy. Too easy. Too easy. W Nike.
Come on.
What's up, brother? Huh?
You can rest.
Ah.
You can rest for real.
Ah.
Tell me, you can rest. You can rest with me.
You trying to race?
Yes. What's up?
Dang, they want smoking ground today. I thought I had friends out here. Bravo. That was lit. Bro, you are so strong. Dang, look.